The LawnMaster LT306-1800C electric pressure washer delivers a powerful cleaning performance with a maximum pressure of 2,100 pounds per square inch and a flow rate of 1.4 gallons per minute. Its 3 interchangeable nozzles allow you to customize the spray pattern to effectively tackle grime, rust, mud, and more. The included foam bottle is perfect for car cleaning, providing an aerated foam that clings to surfaces for a thorough wash. With a 20-foot high-pressure hose and a 35-foot power cord, this pressure washer offers extended reach to easily cover large areas. The package includes everything you need to get started, such as the electric pressure washer, a spray gun, a 20-foot hose, a garden hose connector, a 13.5-ounce foam bottle, and a tip cleaner. LawnMaster has designed this model to be user-friendly and efficient, making it an excellent choice for maintaining your home's exterior and outdoor spaces.